Hello and welcome to MB Design Motor Trends. Today we are going to be customizing this BMW GT on its interiors. We're going to be installing this premium 15-inch infotainment system. This comes with wireless Apple CarPlay. Also, this Msport premium leather steering wheel is going to be installed. This is a high-end product, 8GB RAM with 128GB internal memory with 360-degree camera enabled and a SIM card slot. If you too would like to customize your BMW like this, kindly get in touch with us on our official WhatsApp number. Thank you.